Welcome back to my channel, students. Hi all of you, how are you? Hope you are doing all well. Welcome back. Now we are going to begin with the third main of exercise 1.3 of arithmetic progression, where we are finding the SN, that is sum of n terms of NAP. Will begin now. So third main, first one. There are 10 questions in the third main, children. We'll see how many videos we can do it. So first one is A is equal to, they have given 5, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, direct question it is, AN is equal to 50, and we need to find N and SN. Same like the second main, children. This is almost the same like second main. We'll do it now. So directly all the things are given. First AN is given, use the AN only, A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 55 plus N minus 1 into 3. So 50 minus 5, if you transpose 5, it is minus 5, is equal to N minus 1 into 3. 45 divided by 3, because here multiplication sign is there, N minus 1. 3 ones are 3, 15s are. 15 plus 1 is equal to N, therefore N is equal to 16. After finding N, we need to find Sn, that is S16. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2, A plus L, that is A means 5, L or last term is L 50. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So 8 into 55. 50 plus 5 is 55. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 4 is 44. So sum of 16 terms of the given AP is 440. That completes the first question of the third main, children. So we'll begin with the second question of third main now. Second question is A is equal to 7, they have given. A is equal to 7. A15 is equal to 35. Yes, children. So here A they have given, A13 is given, we have to find D and S13. So with the help of A13, we are going to find now D. A13 is equal to, we know that A plus 12D. If it is 13, one number less, because N minus 1, 13 minus 1 is 12. This is 35, A is 7 plus 12D. So 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. 35 minus 7 is 28, children, is equal to 12D. So D is equal to 28 divided by 12. 7 4s are 7 3s are. So D is equal to 4 by 3. Next we are going to find S13. S13 is equal to 13 by 2, and the last term 13 is given. A is 7 plus last term is 35. So 13 by 2 into 35 plus 7 is 42. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are. So 13 ones are 13. 13 2s are 26 plus 1 27. So this is the second question answer, children. D we need to find. We have found out it is 4 by 3, and S13 is 273. We move on to the third question now. Third main, third question. Third main, third question is A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. We need to find A and S12. In the earlier question we found out D. Now in this question we are going to find out A using the A12. A12 is equal to A plus 11D. So A12 is 37. We don't know A. 11 into D is 33. So 37 is equal to A plus 33. Transpose this 33, it becomes 37 minus 33 is equal to A. Therefore, A is equal to 4. So, after finding A, we need to find S12. So, 12 by 2, A we have found out 4 plus the last term 12 is 37. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So, 6 into 37 plus 4 is 41. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So, that is the answer for the third question. We have found out A also, we have found out S12 also. S12 answer is 246. So, till now if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. One more question, fourth question. What is it? Let us solve it. Given A10, A3 is equal to 15. A3 is equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. S10 is equal to 125. We need to find D and A10. D and A10. A3 is 15. S10 is 125. D and A10 we need to find out. So, A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 15. So, we will go with this now. S10 means S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into bracket 2A, we don't know A also. So, we will write 2A plus 9D. So, S10 is 125, 2 ones are 2 5s are is equal to 5, 2A plus 9D. So, 125 divided by 5 is equal to 2A plus 9D. 5 ones are 5, 25s are. So, 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. So, you can call this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. So, we are going to solve these two equations now. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. You can solve by any method. So, I will go with the substitution method now. So, I will take A is equal to 15 minus 2D if you take substitution method. So, substitute this value A in this equation. 2 into 15 minus 2D plus 9D is equal to 25. So, now what you get? 15 2s are 30 minus 4D plus 9D is equal to 25. So, 30 you can transpose these two here. 30 now minus 4D plus 5D becomes plus 9D becomes plus 5D is equal to 25. So, 5D is equal to 25 minus 30, 5D is equal to minus 5, D is equal to minus 5 by 5, that is minus 1. Found out D value, it's over now. We are going to find out now A10. So, A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A is, so we have to find out A also. So, A is equal to what it was? 15 minus 2D. So, 15 minus 2 into minus 1. 15 plus 2, it was 17. So, A is 17 plus 9, D is minus 1. So, 17 minus 9 will give us 8. So, A10 is equal to 8 and A is equal to 17, D is equal to minus 1. With that, we complete the fourth question, children, of third main. So, do subscribe my channel. Until then, watch these videos. We'll meet you in the next video.